Let's talk about aloe vera, a true superstar of the plant world. You've seen it, spiky, green, and prehistoric looking, perched on windowsills or splashed across bottles of lotion and shampoo. For centuries, people have prized the gel inside its leaves for soothing burns and calming skin. But have you ever wondered how that gel gets from the field to your bathroom shelf? This isn't a backyard operation, it's a global industry with massive farms and high-tech factories dedicated to extracting and bottling aloe's goodness. The journey starts in sun-drenched fields in places like Mexico and the Dominican Republic, where aloe is grown on a massive scale. These aren't quaint gardens, they're vast, carefully managed farms. Aloe takes years to mature, and every step from soil to harvest is a science. So, how does a spiky succulent become the smooth gel we know? It's a story of hard work, engineering, and relentless quality control. We'll follow a single aloe leaf from field to factory, revealing the blend of old-fashioned farming and modern precision that brings this ancient remedy to your home. Imagine endless rows of green, spiky leaves, an impressive sight and the start of a fascinating process. Growing aloe is slow and patient, but the payoff is worth it. The real magic happens after harvest, when the race to preserve the plant's purity begins. We're about to pull back the curtain on how aloe vera gel is made. Stick with me. Let's see how the magic, well, the gel happens. Harvesting aloe starts early before the sun gets too hot. Skilled workers move through the fields, selecting only the mature, outer leaves, thick and full of gel. Cutting too many or the wrong leaves can harm the plant, so precision matters. Using sharp knives, harvesters make clean cuts to protect both plant and gel. The leaves are heavy and delicate, so they're stacked carefully to avoid bruising. Just beneath the rind is a yellow, bitter liquid called aloin, a powerful laxative you don't want in your gel. After cutting, leaves are stood upright to let this aloin drain away, a simple but vital step for purity. Once crates are full, the clock starts ticking. Aloe, like any fresh produce, loses potency quickly after harvest. Oxidation begins as soon as the leaf is cut, so speed is crucial. The goal: get leaves from field to factory fast, preserving their natural goodness. Every minute counts in capturing aloe at its peak. This isn't just farming, it's a race against time. The journey from field to bottle is all about protecting the plant's best qualities. Next, the leaves head to the factory for the next stage. The process is just getting started. Let's see what happens next. The harvested leaves are quickly loaded onto trucks, sometimes refrigerated, to speed to the processing plant. Most big aloe factories are built right next to the farms, minimizing travel time to just hours. The faster the leaves arrive, the better the gel. At the factory, workers inspect every crate, sorting out leaves that are too small, old, or damaged. Only the best make it to the next stage. This hands-on quality check is crucial. Trained eyes spot imperfections machines might miss. Subpar leaves are set aside, often for compost, while the prime ones move forward. After sorting, the leaves are weighed for record-keeping and production planning. From here, they're placed on conveyor belts, ready for the next step. The factory hums with activity, all focused on moving these green spears into a clean, controlled environment. The race against time continues inside. Every step is about preserving quality. The transformation is underway. Let's see how the leaves get ready for extraction. Inside the factory, the first step is a thorough wash. Think of it as a spa day for aloe. Leaves are tumbled and sprayed with high-pressure water to remove dirt and dust. Next, they're soaked in sanitizing baths to kill bacteria and mold. This step is critical for food safety and product stability. After sanitizing, leaves get a final rinse with purified water. Every detail, water quality, temperature, timing is carefully controlled. Workers inspect the leaves one last time, ensuring they're spotless before cutting. The environment is kept as clean as a hospital. From here, maintaining sterility is key. The leaves are now pristine, ready for the most important step, extracting the gel. Cleanliness is everything at this stage. Let's move to the heart of the process. Now comes the heart of the operation: filleting the aloe leaves to extract the gel. Skilled workers, or sometimes machines, trim the ends and spiky sides, then carefully separate the clear gel from the green rind. Precision is vital. Cutting too deep risks contaminating the gel with bitter aloin. Some factories use machines for speed, but human hands often ensure the highest quality. The unwanted rinds are repurposed, often as fertilizer for the fields. The pure gel fillets are immediately moved to stainless steel tanks, exposed and vulnerable. Speed and cleanliness are crucial to preserve their potency. The gel is about to be transformed from solid fillets to the familiar liquid form. Every second counts to keep the gel pure. The process is a blend of skill and science. The next step, turning fillets into smooth, usable gel. Let's see how it's done. The transformation continues. The gel fillets are ground into a thick, pulpy liquid in stainless steel tanks. This is done gently to protect delicate enzymes and nutrients. The liquid passes through mesh screens to remove pulp and any stray rind. Next, it's purified with activated charcoal, which removes traces of aloin, color, and odor. This step ensures the gel is crystal clear and free from bitterness. The result is a smooth, pure liquid, much closer to the finished product. But it's still a raw agricultural product with natural microbes that could cause spoilage. The next stage will make the gel safe for long-term storage. Filtration and purification are all about quality. The gel is almost ready for its final transformation. Let's see how it's made safe for shelves. The process moves forward. Now the gel must be made safe. Enter pasteurization. Factories use high-temperature, short-time pasteurization, heating the gel briefly to kill bacteria and mold, then cooling it rapidly. This preserves the aloe's beneficial compounds while ensuring safety. The process happens in a closed system, preventing recontamination. Some companies use cold stabilization or high-pressure processing to avoid heat, but pasteurization is the gold standard for shelf life. Without this step, aloe gel would spoil in days. Pasteurization unlocks the ability to bottle and ship aloe worldwide. It's a non-negotiable step for safety and quality. Now the gel is stable, safe, and ready for the final tests. The journey is almost complete. Let's see how quality is guaranteed. Before bottling, every batch of gel faces rigorous lab testing. Technicians check for bacteria and mold, ensuring pasteurization worked. Chemical tests measure key compounds like polysaccharides and confirm aloin levels are safe. Physical properties, pH, thickness, color, clarity are all evaluated. Only batches that pass every test move forward. This relentless quality control ensures safety, purity, and potency. The lab is the final gatekeeper. Excellence is non-negotiable. Every bottle's promise starts here. The gel is now ready for packaging. Let's follow it to the shelf. With quality assured, the gel is pumped into sterile tanks, then sent to the bottling line. Automated machines fill, cap, and label each bottle with precision and speed. The environment is kept spotless to protect the gel's purity. Bottles are packed, boxed, and stacked onto pallets for shipping. From the factory, they travel across the globe, by truck, train, and ship, to stores everywhere. The journey from spiky leaf to shelf-ready product is complete. Next time you see aloe gel, remember the science, care, and speed behind every bottle. It's a story of nature, technology, and dedication, all to deliver the soothing power of aloe vera to your hands. That's the secret inside every spiky leaf.